Hey there. Thank you so much for watching EduSmart. And by the end of this video, you are going to know how to get IBM Professional Certificate, Google Professional Certificates, and any one Coursera course absolutely for free. Everyone out there, this is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. And I make these videos on free courses, certifications, placement preparation, and whatnot. You must check this channel after watching this video till the end. Now let's get started. So this course is IBM Data Science Professional Certificate being offered by IBM and it is being collaborated with Coursera. Now this Coursera is offering this course and it is being provided by the IBM. Now IBM Data Science Professional Certificate is not a simple one. People always they pay a lot for these courses because these are professional certification courses from Coursera. Let me show you some facts of this course. You can see 46% of the professionals or the students who enrolled for this course had started a new career after this, and 19% got a pay increase or promotion. So you can check it out. This course details like it has with data analytics, machine learning, Python, Jupyter, and whatnot. There is a lot of things that you need to know for this. You are going to learn at the end of this course. And this certificate is really helpful in every corner of the world. And what some other courses that you can get by this freely are, you can also see this. These courses you can also get for free, like these certificate courses and any one course on Coursera you can get for free. I'm showing you how to get this for free with a demo. Now, see these are the Google courses and all are available here. So you can see Google IT and Google Cloud Data Engineer, etc. So there are a lot of courses available and I like this course. I can enroll for this course for free. I'm going to show you now. Now you can see this financial aid available. Now click on this link and we'll redirect you on this. Now silently click continue to the application. Now here just check these boxes and please type the same, right? You need to just type the same. You just copy this and paste it. Now click on submit. Now continue, right? You can click on continue now. So it asks you for some basic questions and you need to fill these questions. After you fill these questions, this Coursera will see this application and will grant you a free course and with free certification for this course absolutely for free. Now you can see the questions like educational background. You can choose any educational background like your high school, college degree, something like that. And you can also use your annual income. So your annual income must be in US dollars. And if you're a student, you do not have any annual income, you can use your parents' annual income like that. Or else you can use zero as your dollar income. Because you're a student, you're not. And employee, type unemployed. Or no, there is also facility of student. Like click on student. And how much can you afford to pay? Now, if you cannot pay anything, just click on zero. And also let them know why are you applying for financial aid, and you must describe this within 150 words, not within 150 words. You can use minimum 150 words. So if you answer this question very well, you are more likely to get this scholarship, that is the financial aid. This is the question that you need to answer now. Why are you applying for financial aid? Let them know what is the condition of your course, why of your parents and yourself, and why you are unable to pay for this course and why you wanted to get this course. Now here comes another question. How will taking this course help you achieve your career goals? Now this course is IBM Data Science Professional, right? This is a professional certificate which has a good value around the world. Now this really helps you in your career. So let them know how this can help you in 150 words. After completing this, there were some other questions like, do you wanted to get a loan? You just click no. So would you consider getting a low interest loan? No, you just click no, that's it. And so if you answered no, please help us understand why. This is not required. If you wanted to answer, you can just answer that question. Thereafter, you simply click on submit application. After submitting application, usually Coursera will reply to your application within 50 days. And most of my friends who applied for this Coursera course with the financial aid absolutely selected for this financial aid. I hope you will also select for this financial aid, and this is how you are going to get this for free. And if you do not have any account on Coursera, first click create an account on Coursera and then come here and provide your details. So this is about getting financial aid using Coursera. I'm going to answer these two answers, and going to click submit, and I'm going to so you cannot directly start the course after filling the application. They will send reply to your application whether selected or not. If you selected, you can get onto this course and complete your and get your course. Now, the thing is, you will be having a limited time for this course to complete. I think around 10 months or something like that. Within that time, you need to complete the course, and you can download your certificate and you can showcase on your resumes. So that is about professional certificates to get free from Coursera. I hope this video is really helpful for the professionals and the students. Do not forget to share this video with your class groups. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back with another video very soon. Till then, keep smiling.